It is Friday, October 7th. Today, Xaia Hiking Club is organizing an event called Campfire Night. The Campfire Night is one of the oldest events since the beginning of the club. Students go to a specific spot near the cross in Blagoevgrad. The vice president of the club, Svetlana Vakashinska, tells us more about what makes the hike special.
We do marshmallows, we do other food that can be done on the fire, and we just have a good time, honestly.
We also met with Ioan Denchev, one of the newest members of Xaia Hiking Club. He started hiking when he was a little child, but his hobby wasn't always fun. In 2022, Ioan and his friend went on a hike in the winter. There was a storm and they could barely see anything. But what they saw were fresh steps from a bear.
We freaked out, we ran to the car, we were glad we didn't meet the bear.
This is the type of stories people told each other sitting around the campfire during the annual Campfire Night. This was Alexandra Djurjevic for AUBG Wire.